people see me, they think safe. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be fault finding and diagnosing a problem why we don't have speedo and the odometer working, and that is the last thing we need to fix to satisfy the checklist we got last time we took this car through the pits. So this is the last thing we need to do, and we need to get it done in order to get this car registered. Alright, so the way that the speedometer and odometer work on this car is that there is sensor on the diff that basically a magnetic pickup that grounds the circuit. So every time this circuit gets grounded, one of the signal goes into one of these pins, and that drives like a little electric stepper motor, and that stepper motor moves the speedometer and also moves the odometer. So that's all inside here. So we show you how to test the sensor on the diff, and we'll show you how to test the wiring harness, and we'll show you how to fix the problem, hopefully.
Are you sick of this?
Yeah, I'm sick of this.
Yeah, I just want...
Yeah, I just want to rego it and drive it.
So what's the first step?
We're going to jack up the car.
The first step is to jack up your car securely onto jack.
Actually, we should chock the front wheel.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the one thing you're known for, safety.
When people see me, they think safe. I haven't had many.
I think you're very safe.
I haven't had many accidents. Whoa. God, I miss bloody Steve's workshop.
Oh, don't we? Steve, if you're watching.
Yeah. Start another business. Alright. Let's go bomb some hills. There it is. You can get a shot of that. And that is the sensor, and that is the wire, and apparently so voltage goes to the wire, and then the voltage gets grounded. There's like a tone wheel inside the diff, and oh, there's a little mouse running around.
There's a mouse?
Yeah, underneath the right here. And he doesn't know what to do. I think he got this he must have been living in here.
Oh.
And now he's like looking for his home.
Dude, bugger off.
Huh?
This is not your house.
It's just running underneath the car.
How?
Oh, he lives in the wheel. He lives, you'll see in the footage, he lives in the front wheel. What? His little mouse. Wait, that's the wires going into it. Right there, I just unplugged them. They're both brown, but they're brown and something pop out. Hopefully we won't lose diff fluid. Will we? No, the plug's there. So
It's too high.
There it is. I mean, there's nothing really to clean, is there?
So you're making a harness?
Yeah, just to test it. We'll
Rotate
put it back in the diff, put a wire on it, put it in diode mode, multimeter, and we'll just see what kind of pulse we're getting. Go in, I think it matters which way. Alright, I'll go put that in, and we've got a bit of a lead to rotate, we'll rotate the diff. Okay, just start the car. And
Or do we to rotate the tyres by hand?
By hand, you reckon?
Multimeter in diode mode, got to connect it up here to the sensor. Now Creel's going to spin the tyre.
Yeah.
So we've got a signal. So the pickup is fine.
The pickup's fine.
We're confirmed, fine.
So, okay, so the pickup's fine. Now we've got to test the wires going from the pickup to the dash.
We need to do the same test at the dash on the same wire.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I think it's this harness.
Nothing?
I'll try a different one. 2 seconds.
Yep.
Try that. So we've got it. So we've confirmed that the wiring is working. If you want to spin the... There you go. So we've confirmed that in diode mode. We've probed the wires and it's closing the circuit. So
Okay.
seems like the wiring's good. Got to take the steering wheel off first.
Oh yeah, of course. They don't give you many wires to play with, like to reach out and
A
then
lot of slack. Yeah.
yeah, not much slack. That's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah. No, they don't.
No. So we're just putting all the connectors in. It's unbearably hot as well. I think we need a break after this.
So they just give you not just quite enough to hold it out here.
Okay. All right.
Now what?
Let's start it up. Put it in drive.
Put it in drive.
All right.
Alright, tacho works.
Oh, that's good.
Feel that?
Yeah. Yeah, well, tacho always works.
It always works. Alright, drive.
Drive. Go. Doesn't work.
Doesn't freaking work.
So the brown one.
That's the signal, and that's the ground. Well, one of the many grounds. So that would coincide with that, but it looks like it's a shared pin with green and red.
Okay.
But anyway, so if we follow that trace, that trace goes here, goes to this pin here. So that should go through to the back. So let's just do a continuity test between there and there.
Okay. Uh-oh.
I mean, it's getting it, but it's
very faint.
maybe it's just the corrosion on the outside.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's possible.
So then we have to open it up and see where that goes through.
Where that goes through.
Easy now.
That's what it looks like.
Careful.
Careful.
And we've got to carefully take this off.
There we go. Alright, the dial.
This just screws off.
Yep. The dial's off. Okay.
So I think if you undo these,
Yeah.
then it liberates it from the front.
Okay.
Take this on the ground. Now,
Here we go. Alright, so we've got some circuitry in there. Okay, the whole thing's out.
you can see the pins coming through. So I think those pins transfer through that flex cable, transfer
Into the circuit board.
into the circuit board,
Okay.
into here.
And that's the stepper motor, right?
So
That
I
we were talking
think
about.
he was speaking to me and he was saying that he directly tested
Ah.
inside
Okay.
the actual dash instead of probing from the outside because he wasn't sure which pin it was.
Right.
So one of these is the speed control or the open and close to ground, which then this circuit actually interprets as speed.
Okay.
So what he replaced, or what we asked him to replace, was
Just that cog there.
these cogs. So
Yeah.
I think it was this one, or was it just this
It's
one?
just this one.
I think that was there, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it's just one cog there.
So that's fine, no problem.
No, he's done that. It does not.
Now we've got to test where the signal comes through to here.
Right.
The sensor here beeps out fine. The ground wire, which is this tab here, that beeps out okay. But what we found is this one, which is flapping in the breeze, this one goes to 12 volts, which is this pin.
And that's what sends 12 volts into the sensor, right?
That's what sends 12 volts to make this thing work.
Yeah. Okay. So let's just get a zoom of that contact and what we're talking about.
So we're going to have to stick that down somehow because obviously
it's not contacting
great.
properly. Yeah. All right. Well, let's just fix that and then
Let's
put it
just
back
give
and
it a
see. Yeah.
Not too much.
Just a little dab
Just
and
a
then.
dab. And put it back together.
Yeah.
Once you've done all that.
That's right. The reversal of the original procedure. Bolts in the back, screws. Not much to it. Clusters made by VDO. Still in business today, I believe. Alright, let's try it out.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah.
It's all in,
Yeah.
plugged in, everything.
Plugged it in.
Start. Got power going to it. Fuel's going a bit crazy, but I don't care.
Alright.
Put in drive.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yep. Works.
It works, finally.
Mission done.
Does the odometer work?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Alright. Cool.
Success.
Alright, let's button it up. Get it
Let's
ready.
get out of this car, it's too hot.
And now we've got a new problem. The blower motor's gone. And we've got to fix that. Trying to get to the blower motor.
It never ends.
Never ends.
Don't buy a car that's been sitting outside for 10 years.
No.
Don't do that. That's what you have to do around these parts. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, it's trying. It's still jammed. Yeah.
Blown.
No. No, it's not blown. Okay. It's about to take off, man.
Oh, it's rubbing on that. Ah. There you go.
Fixed.
Can't believe we fixed it.
Yep.
Sick.
There you go.
Alright.
Well, you know, tune in next time for
Yeah, tune
other great fixes of
Some more problems we're going to find.
really bad, neglected cars. Thanks,
Cool.
guys.
Thanks. Subscribe to our channel
Yes.
or not.
And buy some merch. We actually have a merch store.
What merch?
Would you believe?
Which I should be wearing.
Yes.